Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how you can fix your dual SIM not working on your iPhone or your eSIM depending on how you look at it. Now the first thing you need to make sure is that your iPhone is actually an unlocked iPhone or that your specific SIM card is from the same exact carrier. Now if you don't know, sometimes if you get an eSIM and your specific iPhone is T-Mobile but you have an AT&T eSIM, it's not going to work. So if your iPhone is not unlocked, you want to make sure that it's at least from the same exact carrier. Now also you want to make sure that your iPhone even supports dual SIM capability. Now it's not every single iPhone that supports it. I believe from the iPhone 11 onwards you can actually go ahead and enable this. So do keep that in mind. That is something that's very important to keep in mind. Now on top of that, what you want to make sure is that your iPhone actually doesn't have any missing bars or missing signal. So what does that mean? Well, if you swipe down from the top and you see that you have no SIM card installed or it says no cell or you have very little bars, then your specific SIM card and your dual SIM, if you have an eSIM, is not necessarily going to work because your specific SIM card, you're in an area that doesn't have that good signal. So the best thing you can do is either connect to Wi-Fi. You can try connecting to a few different areas and a few different cell connections if you want to. But typically, if you have a really bad cell connection, your cell signal is just not going to work out properly. So that is a massive thing to keep in mind. Again, you don't want to connect to a device. You don't want to, be in a bad area with signal because even if you have another SIM card, it's just not going to work out well. Now, if that doesn't work, what you can do is also try restarting your phone. So you want to go and hold down the power button and the top volume button. Most of the iPhones that have dual SIM are, gesture-based design. Swipe the power off, and then you want to essentially restart your phone. Now, typically, this will probably end up doing it. And all you would have to do at this point is go ahead and just connect to the signal. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can open up your settings app just like this. Swipe all the way to the side. You want to scroll down. You want to click General. You want to click Software Update. And you want to update your device to the most recent version of software that your phone supports. So if your iPhone is one of the more recent iPhones, you want to go ahead and make sure that your device is most up to date, and you should be good to go for the most part at this point. If it still doesn't work, then you can go ahead and either contact Apple and go from there. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.